So today in this video we are going to see all about the joins in SQL with the hands-on experience. Okay, so in this video we are going to see that how inner join, left join, right join and the full join works with simple examples. Here is an table. Here you can see that here is our table and just here is our another table. We have the two tables. Okay, in the first table we have the student ID column and the student name and the course ID. Okay, in the second table we have the student ID and the course name column. Okay, so we are going to perform some tasks using the inner joins. Okay, so our inner join query looks like this, which tells that select student name and the course name from student table, inner join courses on S course ID and the C course ID. Okay, so here is a simple syntax. Here you can understand that what the syntax is trying to say, and just we have to select it and run it. And here you can see that it has shown the common data which is present in the both the tables. Okay, so I will tell you how it works. So yeah, here you can see that here we have selected the name column and the course ID column. Okay, and the course name column. Okay, so in the course name it's selected as Vaibhav and 101 and Aman 102. Okay, here it is 101 and 102, and it replaced this 101 and 102 with the Python as well as the SQL, and after that it came to this Neha 103 and it gone here, and just here it can't find about the 103, so it skipped the Sneha row and just moved forward, and it found about the Ravi, and here the value is null and here is no, and here it can't find the value of the null, so it just skipped the Ravi row as well as. So this is how only the Vaibhav as well as Aman print in the inner joint. Okay, so we are going to see about the left join, and just here you can see that it has put out the values which is present in the table 1 completely, and the value which is common between the two tables. Here you can see that Vaibhav SQL, Aman Python, and Sneha null and Ravi null. Okay, so this is how we have shown. Okay, so here where the course ID like 101 and 102 and Sneha's course ID which were not matching with the second table, and the Ravi value was around totally null, so it has not shown. And we will move through the next part as the right join and just run it, and here you can see that just it has thrown and data which is common between the two tables as well as in the right side table. Okay, so yeah, this was all about the left join and inner join. Okay, so we are going to see about the full join. So for the full join we have to use the left join, and as well as we have to use the right join, and we have to use the union. This is an important part, and just we have to select in everything and just we have to run it, and here you can see that it has shown the values of the table 1 and table 2, the values which are common. Okay, that it has put out in the new table. Okay, so here you can see that Vaibhav SQL, Aman Python, and this Neha's value was not matching with the course ID, put out as the null value, and Ravi is also null, and the here student name will be the null because the values were not matching. Okay, so in this video we have shown all about the inner join, left join, right join and the full join. Okay, so if you're new to the channel guys, please like, share and subscribe our video, and let's see you in the next video guys.